Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have some eroding fog and low clouds out there this morning. It'll continue to do so throughout the rest of the morning hours, and we'll start to see a lot of sunshine for the afternoon. Also see our winds starting to turn out of the southwest for the afternoon hours today. That'll allow for our high temperatures to be in the mid to upper 80s. Looking for about a high around 88 degrees for this afternoon into the late afternoon hours. If we don't see those southwesterly winds, we'll most likely be seeing temperatures in the lower to mid 80s today, but I do think we will see those winds out of the southwest for the afternoon. Across region last 24 hours, seeing hot conditions, especially inland from the coast. Some temperatures anywhere from the upper 80s to lower 90s. Richmond and Newport News at 91 degrees, yesterday. Here at Wallops, we were 85. Across region last night, seeing temperatures not falling all that much, seeing a cool temperature, if you could say that, 69 degrees at Baltimore. Seeing temperatures in the lower 70s across the region in general for overnight lows. No precipitation across region last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures anywhere from the lower 80s to lower 70s, seeing the coolest temperature along the coast and the Delmarva Peninsula with the fog that is eroded across the region, allowing those temperatures not to warm up quite as quickly as areas to the west where they didn't see as much fog this morning. Our cloud cover is variable across the Mid-Atlantic region this morning, seeing cloudy conditions with 74 degrees here at Wallops as of 9 a.m. Our sounding from Twelsey this morning, we're seeing a freezing level at 15,300 feet. Winds out of the northeast and light in the low levels, about 5 to 10 knots from 1,000 to 3,000 feet. Then we see our winds turning out of the west to northwest and still light throughout the whole column with only a peak wind at 10 knots at 25,000 feet out of the northwest this morning. Looking at our vegetation near IR band imagery this morning, where you can see the low clouds and fog just along the coastline. That'll continue to be along the coastline and remain over the area for the morning hours, and by the afternoon hours we'll see this fog really start to dissipate across the region. Those locations just inland from the coast already seeing plentiful sunshine. Our observations from this morning, seeing fairly light winds out there, anywhere from about 3 to 6 knots out of the east or northeast. This should see those winds start to turn out of the southwest I mentioned for this afternoon. We'll see abundance of upper level cirrus cloudiness today. That'll be the primary cloud cover for later on this afternoon into the evening hours. Looking at our surface analysis as of 12Z this morning, we have a high pressure off the southeast coast as well as over the deep south that's providing us with southwesterly flow and a ridge over the area in general into the Mid-Atlantic region that's giving us warmer temperatures than we've seen for the first part of June. But we're going to see these warm temperatures continue for today and tomorrow, and possibly seeing a record high or tying a record high for our Tuesday. So looking at our prog charts the next few days, here's a Monday midday planner. Going to have a lee trough across the Appalachians. It's going to allow for a possibility of some pop-up showers and thunderstorm west of the Chesapeake Bay today. Not going to see any chance of that here over the Wallops region. Here's our Tuesday AM planner. We're going to have a cold front starting to approach from the north and from the northwest. It's going to provide us with a chance of showers and thunderstorms for our Tuesday afternoon. And this prog chart brings through that front a little bit quicker than I do expect. Looks like that front will move through around 4 or 5 o'clock during the afternoon on Tuesday. And that'll be our best chance of showers and thunderstorms. Now continue through the evening hours on our Tuesday. And our Wednesday, we'll see this frontal boundary kind of remain over the area. It will go south of the region Tuesday night. And then Wednesday will return as a warm front, and Wednesday evening into Thursday morning we'll see additional chances of showers and thunderstorms with a weak area low pressure moving along that boundary. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll be having good conditions overall. Green for precipitation and lightning. We had that low ceiling this morning before 10 o'clock. It's continuing to erode and move out of the region. We'll see ceiling possibilities below 500 feet with visibilities below a mile for tonight, with a chance of that fog and low cloudiness moves back in the region. Only a slight chance of that occurring. Looking at a high of 88 degrees today, southwesterly winds this afternoon 5 to 10 knots, turning south-southwest at 7 to 12 with a sea breeze coming on shore. And then for tonight, we'll see a warm and muggy overnight low of 75 degrees. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we do have a broken deck at 500 feet, a broken deck at 25,000 feet. We do have some limited visibilities off to the east. Looking into the afternoon hours, we'll see some mostly sunny skies to partly cloudy skies, just a few at 1,500, broken at 25,000, additional few, at 8,000 feet at noon. And then once we move into the overnight hours, we'll just see partly cloudy skies. And by tomorrow morning, we'll see a few at 5,000 feet and an overcast deck at 25,000 feet at 8 a.m. Our tides are slightly above normal. Looking to Tuesday through Wednesday. Tuesday is going to be hot and humid, a high of 95 degrees expected. That's a possibility of a record or tying a record for our Tuesday. Our heat indices will be between 100 and 105 degrees during the afternoon. We'll have a chance of showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon evening as well, with that cold front approaching and moving through the region. We'll have a yellow for precipitation and lightning. And Tuesday night we'll see partly cloudy skies, slight chance of a lingering shower or thunderstorm early, and it'll remain muggy with a chance of low cloudiness and fog moving back in the region. We'll see a low of 71 degrees. Our winds will turn onshore, and with those onshore winds, we could be seeing those low clouds moving back in with a yellow here for the ceilings. And Wednesday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, a chance of lingering low clouds and fog during the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms by the evening, with the best chance during the late evening hours. We'll see a high of 84 degrees, a yellow for precipitation and lightning, as well as our low clouds. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll see a warm day today, at 88 degrees, 95 for our Tuesday, so very hot for our Tuesday with heat indices over 100 degrees. And for Wednesday, we'll see temperatures a little bit cooler, more seasonable for this time of year, with the onshore flow for our Wednesday. That's going to keep our temperatures in the mid-80s. Then Thursday, we'll see an area low pressure moving through during the overnight hours. Looking at the chances of thunderstorms, most likely will end probably 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, but continuing to see that area low pressure moving through. Can't rule out a shower or thunderstorm during the post-dawn hours on Thursday. High of 82 on Thursday with onshore flow during the afternoon. That'll keep our temperatures down. And then Friday and Saturday look like really nice days. Area high pressure building in from the north and the northeast. We'll see light onshore flow for Friday, high of 78 degrees. Saturday we'll see pressure gradient tighten across the region just a bit, giving us a little bit stronger onshore flow and a high of 80 degrees. And then for Sunday, it looks like we'll have a chance of showers and thunderstorms Saturday night into Sunday. We'll see a warm front move through during that time period, and then Sunday we'll see a high of 90 degrees with warmer conditions across the Mid-Atlantic region to end the weekend. That's going to complete the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.